Hi everyone, this is another one of my no-bake Christmas cookies. I start off by melting 2 pieces of almond bark, and I went ahead and placed my fork because I've seen everyone doing it that way in between the Oreo cookie, like where the cream is at, but it didn't work out for me only because I didn't use a cup. I should have used something that was a little deeper, and this was too shallow, so it didn't work out for me. So I ended up placing it on the parchment paper and then decided that I should go ahead and place it on a plate because it'll be easier for me to place in the refrigerator. After I removed from the refrigerator, then I just kind of cleaned out a little bit, like around the edges. And then now I was ready to assemble my reindeer cookies. After they've gotten nice and chilled, it's going to be a lot easier to actually place the pretzels, the eyes, the nose. While your Oreo cookies are in the refrigerator chilling, you can go ahead and start breaking some of your pretzels to make them look like little antlers. And at this point, it's so much easier to stick the pretzel or the little antler onto your cold cookie. You melt your chocolate again, and then you're gonna go ahead and place your little antlers onto your cookie. This is also such a cute craft for you to have your kids do, or even if you're having family over. All the kids will enjoy making these little cookies, and of course they can go ahead and eat them after they've created them. So after you apply your antlers on your little cookie, you're gonna go ahead and start sticking your eyes, your nose, whatever else you want to place on them. I used my spatula to place my little eyes and nose on there so that I can place them on my Oreo without getting too much of a mess going. But then I realized I could have just placed my spatula with the melted chocolate on the actual reindeer and then just put my eyes and nose on there. But we live and we learn. What can I say? At the end, I realized it and I went ahead and did it that way, and it was a lot easier. These are just such fun little ideas so that you can make with your kids at Christmas. If you enjoyed this simple idea of no-bake Christmas treats, go ahead and check out my channel. I have a lot more in there. And please don't forget to give this video a like. It helps me out so much. I truly appreciate it. See you soon with some more no-bake recipes.